Okay, here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. White, as you can see, there's a reflection of the lights. We'll just go in a bit closer so you can get a better look. Just gone in a little bit. First piece is bright dark green. Down through the middle there. I don't think it will go underneath here. Just that's the stone. Second piece, if this grinds down, you end up with a nice little stone there. And there's another little eye of extra bright green over here. It's just on the surface there, it's not going to go down into the stone. It's a nice colour there. If it comes up, finishes off nicely, be a nice stone. Probably 20 millimetres long there perhaps. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.